another video here on my channel. And if this is your first time watching one of my videos, then hello, my name is Cherie Elise. Thank you for clicking on this video. Okay, so this is what it's looking like in the inside. Here's the card. Of course, the thing for the premium box is with the Fenty Beauty. Yeah. And on the back, they do have the retail value, and as well as everything else that's in the box, they have the retail value on here. The very first thing everybody knew we were going to be getting is this palette right here. And so this is the Moroccan Spice palette, and here are the shades right here. Look how gorgeous this packaging is. Like, look how gorgeous, y'all. This is so nice. Okay, it has a nice mirror as well. So I'm gonna let you guys look into the palettes really quick. So those are the shades. And I guess it wouldn't hurt to swatch some of these. So I'm gonna swatch this one right here. Ooh, they're so soft. Wow, oh, the brown. Okay, so that's this one. Very pigmented because I felt like I didn't actually pick up anything. That's really shimmery. So I'm gonna do the blue right there. Dude, I barely picked up anything off the thing, and it's so pigmented. Okay, next one I'm gonna do, I gotta do this beautiful one right here. And this one is, yeah, I'm not gonna try to do that. Okay, that's a more of a shimmery, lighter shimmery color. And we're gonna do a matte. I'm gonna do this one. Like, y'all see that little dot I got on my finger, and watch how the oh nah, it tricked me that time. So that's the matte. I didn't get much of a color payoff on that one, nor did it really want to come off on my finger actually, but like it's still on my finger. But look at that. These two are my favorite shades so far. I want to see what this one looks like. It's a white one. Like, I want to see what that looks like. Oh, it looks pinkish. That's pretty cool. That's actually, I'm going to show y'all. That was actually this white one right here that I just swatched. The last one I swatched. It's like a shimmery color. That is so gorgeous. Okay, y'all. Let's move on to the next items in the box. So you guys already knew that was coming. I did want to show you guys the swatches of it because, you know, but that is really beautiful. The next thing we all received was the Fenty Beauty Rihanna Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter. Let's open it up, and it's in this shade Trophy Wife. Now, I'm not sure if there were different shades scent of that, but I have it in the shade Trophy Wife. So this is what that shade looks like, y'all. And let's get this is really soft. So we're gonna put that right here. That is really nice, y'all. I cannot wait to use this in this eyeshadow palette. Like, amazing. The next part that we all received was the blotting paper. This is what that looks like. It does come with a mirror. So there's the blotting paper, and then there's the dispenser. I may actually put this in a giveaway because I actually don't blot. I don't know. I may keep it. I may put it in a giveaway. So you guys may see this in a future giveaway. I feel like I wanted something else, but you can't complain with what we're getting in this box. But that was the blotting paper that we all received. Next, everyone received this gloss bomb right here. And so we got it in the shade right here. let's just see what it looks like actually on. Okay, it's really sticky and I'm not liking how it looks. It looks like you, okay. It smells really good though. It smells really good. I don't know. It's really thick too though. So, I mean, this is really good for the colder months. I can say that. Okay, it's not bad. It actually doesn't look like how it looked on my hand. So, it actually made my lips more shinier. So I will be using this up. Okay, so now the moment I have been waiting for. I want to know what shades they sent me. So these are the last two products right here, which are the Push Matte Lipstick and the Match Stick Shimmer Skin Stick. So they sent me the purple one in the shimmer skin stick. So they sent me Unicorn. So let's see what Unicorn looks like. I'm thinking it's purple from what I'm looking at. So, oh, they sent me purple. Like, I'm gonna love this one on me. Like, look at it. That is really gorgeous. So that's what that shimmery shade looks like. That is gonna be gorgeous. That is still pretty though. Like, that's still pretty. I received that in Unicorn. So let's see what lipstick shade they sent me. I'm like so nervous. I just hope it ain't the pink one. I hope it's anything else but pink. Yay! They sent this to me in the shade Shouty. Shouty. And let's see what it looks like. It is a dark color. I wanted a dark color, so that's what that looks like. Like, I really wanted a dark color. It's almost dark as my lips. Like, your girl been into dark colors lately. This was the perfect color that they sent me because your girl gonna rock this. I've been into darker colors lately, so I'm really excited. So guys, that was everything. Let me make sure you know supply stuff in here. No, but nice though. But nah. Okay, y'all, that is everything from the Premium Boxycharm box. And let me know if you have already received your box. Let me know what shades you got in your box as far as the matte lipstick and the shimmer skin stick. Let me know if we received the same ones of any of those colors. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. And if you did, please be sure to give your girl a big thumbs up before you go. And if this is your first time watching one of my videos, then you may want to consider subscribing to my channel and hitting that notification bell so you do not miss a future upload from me. And as always, you all have a wonderful day or night, and thank you so very much for watching my video. Bye.